What I wish I knew before my first Jeep road trip? That cruise control doesn't always play nice. Here's what to check if yours is acting up. First up, check your brake lights. Seriously, if a brake light bulb is out, or the brake switch is faulty, your cruise control just shuts off. It thinks you're braking even if you're not. Next, double check your fuses. A blown fuse can mess up all kinds of things, including cruise control. Your Jeep's manual will show you which one to look for. Now, let's talk about speed sensors. These tiny parts help the computer know how fast your Jeep's going. If one's damaged or dirty, the cruise control might not work at all. Don't forget the clutch or brake pedal switches. These little buttons tell the system if you're pressing the pedals. If they're stuck or broken, the cruise thinks you're always hitting the brakes. And yeah, sometimes the problem's just a loose wire or a faulty button on your steering wheel. If you spilled coffee there, well, oops. If none of these are the issue, it could be a bigger thing, like a computer glitch. That's when it's time for a mechanic. Bottom line? Most cruise control issues are small fixes. So check those basics first, and you'll be back on cruise mode in no time.